Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add Trust Wallet to Kiwi Browser. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First, you have to download the Kiwi Browser app from Google Play Store or App Store. Now open your app. Go to your search bar and type Trust Wallet extension. Select the second website. Here's an option called Add to Chrome. Wait for a while. Simply tap into it. Now you can see a three-dot option at the right top corner. Tap into it and scroll down. Here you can see Trust Wallet has been successfully added to your Kiwi browser. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.